So we have seen till now try, catch, finally blocks, right? Now we need to see throw and throws keyword. What is meant by throw and throws keyword? Then we can write the programs and all this so that you can understand how these exceptions are handled. Okay. So what is throw keyword? So in one of the programs, I have used throw keyword. I don't know whether you remembered or not. So in our interview programs are arrays, I think arrays, finding the max and min program. I have used this throw, new, illegal argument exception I have written. So that's throw means you want to throw your custom exception message explicitly, not the class that has its own exception message, right? Not that one. You want to give your custom message. Then you will use throw keyword. Throw keyword is used to explicitly throw an exception. So we can throw either checked or unchecked exception in Java by throw keyword. The throw keyword is mainly used to throw custom exception message. So syntax of throw keyword is throw new exception class and your custom exception message you write. Basically, you know what is this? What is this?
Object creation.
Method
Like
Object. It's an object. It's an object. New after classic constructor. It's an object. New class. And it's a constructor, right? It's a parameter.
Constructor.
So that constructor, parameterized constructor, you are passing a parameter message. That's a syntax of throw keyword. So where you will use this throw keyword? Inside the method body. You will write this statement inside the method body. But the throw syntax is throw is followed by an object. Throw is followed by an object. So throw new arithmetic exception and dividing a number by 5 is not allowed in this program. Just example. So this is the syntax and this is the example. See, that's the throw keyword. Okay. So this we'll write a program. So then you will come to know if student age is less than 12 and student weight is less than 40, then throw new arithmetic exception. Student is not eligible for registration, else student entry is valid. That's you're just checking the eligibility of based on the age and weight. So you can write the methods like this and see you're writing method inside only this throw keyword. You are throwing your custom message, but arithmetic exception message is different. What is arithmetic exception message? Divided by 0. That's a default message for arithmetic exception class. But you are customizing that, overriding that message with your own message. With this is the one, student is not eligible. So you will get a see exception in thread main. Welcome to the registration process. Arithmetic exception, student is not eligible for registration. So if you give a wrong data. So this one. That's a throw keyword. Next, throws keyword. A throws keyword is used to declare an exception at compile time itself, not at the runtime. Throws keyword is used to declare. Okay, in advance you declare it. You know this exception occurs here. Do we know automatically your program will throw the indication for you? Okay, the information it will give. Okay, this line might give you an exception, so declare it or catch with a try catch. Surround with a try catch block this line. It will suggest you. Your IntelliJ or your Eclipse IDE will suggest you, okay, this line might give you an exception, so handle it. How you will handle it, it's up to you. Either by throws keyword or by surround with a try catch block. Any one of them use. It will give both the suggestions to you. Which one you want to use, it's up to you. So throws keyword and try catch both are same. So then why do you need again throws keyword? If try catch is handling same functionality, then why do you need throws keyword? There is a reason. We'll discuss that point. So you got right, throws keyword, compile time itself you can handle, you can declare that exception. So that's the throws keyword. So exception handling mainly used to handle the checked exceptions. If there occurs any unchecked exception, such as null pointer exception, it is a programmer's fault that he is not performing check before the code being executed. So that's one thing. And see, what is the need of having throws keyword when you can handle exception using try catch? So this is the question. Let's understand. So already we can handle the exceptions using try catch. The throws does the same thing that try catch does. The throws does the same thing that try catch does. But there are some cases where you would prefer throws over try catch. Suppose you see that my method has a try catch, catch arithmetic exception, catch null pointer exception. So this is a very big program, right? It's becoming very lengthy. But suppose you have several such methods in your class causing exceptions, then it will become very large and long code, and also your file will become very bigger and less readable. So in order to add all these try catch blocks, you will get a tedious job also. So to overcome this problem, so declare the exceptions in the method signature using throws keyword and handle those exceptions where you are calling this method by using try catch. Another advantage of using this approach is that you will be forced to handle the exceptions when you call this method in the main method or somewhere else. Wherever you are calling, it will force you to handle the exceptions. So all the exceptions that are declared using throws must be handled where you are calling this method, else you will get a compile time error. So please understand this. You handle the exception using throws keyword. Then you are calling that method somewhere else. There also you have to declare the exception. It will force you to handle. That's the advantage. If you use try catch, it won't force you. If you use throws keyword, then it will force you to use there also. So that is this is the one how you can handle the throws keyword. So in the method signature line itself, you will write a throws and arithmetic exception class name, null pointer exception class name. All your exception class names you will write one after the other. How many exceptions you want, you can handle everything. So that your code looks good also, and it looks clean code. And no need of try catch blocks, all these curly brackets, all this you don't need. So it will help you. So that is this. exception handling concept.
Ramesh, one doubt, Ramesh. So
Yeah.
now we are writing public void my method. We are using throws.
Right.
There is a chance of we can use same method somewhere in other class. There we are calling there. There automatically it will ask to use this throws. Though if you
Right.
forget to use it,
Yes.
it will remember directly. Please use this because you use it in the where your implemented area or in implemented class. Now also you have to use here like that. It will remind
Exactly.
us.
Right. It will remind you. So again, declare here also because you are calling this method here, right? Again, it will ask you, like, okay, handle the exception now, either by throws or either by try catch. It's up to you. So it's your choice what you want to use, a try catcher or thrower. Again, wherever you are calling time also, you have to declare the exception.
Yes. So now we are calling here in the main method. So it will show that void may throws exception, throws arithmetic exception.
Yeah.
Same.
Right. Same exceptions you can handle here also.
Yes.
That's the throws keyword purpose, and how throws keyword is you used in the method signature line. But the throw keyword you're using method inside. Throws is followed by an exception class. Throw is followed by an object. Please follow the difference. You can easily answer these differences. Throws is followed by an exception class. Throw is followed by an object. Throw is used within the method body. Throws is used with the method signature. That's the differences between throw and throws keyword. Okay. See here, here both I am covering here. You can see. Void my method, int number, throws, IO exception, class not found exception. So curly bracket, if number equal to 1, throw new IO exception occurred. Else, throw new class not found exception, class not found exception. So you can use throws keyword in the method signature line. You can use throw keyword within the method body. Throw is followed by an object. Throws is followed by a class. You got two differences here itself. Okay, and tell the differences. Throw is used to declare your explicit custom message. Throws is used to declare the exception. Compile time itself. So that's the differences between throw and throws keyword. Java throw keyword is used to explicitly throw an exception. Java throws keyword is used to declare an exception. The checked exception cannot be propagated using throw. Checked exception can be propagated using throws. Throw is followed by an object. Throws is followed by class. Throw is used within the method. Throws is used with the method signature. You cannot throw multiple exceptions. You can declare multiple exceptions. So this is the throw and throws keyword. Okay, so these are all the differences between throw and throws. And then another important interview question is finally, finalize. This is another very important interview question. Finally is used to apply the restriction on class, method, and variable. Final class cannot be instantiated, cannot be inherited, cannot be extended. Final method cannot be overridden. Final variable value cannot be changed. Final is just a access modifier keyword. Finally is a block, so which is used to place an important code. It will be executed always, whether exception is handled or not. Finally is a block. Finalize is a method in the object class. I think I missed to explain object class and object class methods. But so finalize is a method in the object class, which is used to perform cleanup process just before object is garbage collected. So before object is garbage collected, finalize method is used by the garbage collector. Finalize is a method in the object class. So what are all object class methods? What is object? Object is a predefined built-in class in Java that is available in java.lang package. Java.lang package, this object class is there. So object class, so you use it to, even if you don't know the data type of any element or anything, the default data type is object. So that's the object means. And final object class has a lot of methods, very useful methods. One is a finalize method, I already told, to perform cleanup process. Just the object is garbage collecting before this finalize method is called. And then we have a get class method. You want to get the class name, you can use a get class, object reference dot get class. So with these methods, you will call with object reference. All the object class methods also. If you go anywhere, so automatically you will get object dot, object reference dot, and it will show apart from your methods, the object class methods also will be shown here. So see here. Object class methods. So you can see we have object reference sh, right? Just put sh and all it will list out. Just put a dot. You can see here it is not listing out. Get class. See get class method. So this returns a, if you want to know this, see that. Get class. So returns the runtime class of this object. Okay, this object runtime class it will return. So just print it and you will come to know. System dot out dot println. Say execute this. Class, see this? Package dot multiple inheritance. So the class name you are going to get with a get class. Okay. So then we have a very important equals method. Very, very important. You want to compare two objects. For example, I'm going to create another object. sh1. Another object I'm creating. You want to compare this object reference and this object reference, and you can use a equals method. So, and then see it returns a Boolean value, Boolean result equal to sh dot equals sh1. So it compares both objects are same or not. So what is the result value? Can anybody guess it?
False.
False. It's not same, right? So because every object is different. This address is different and this address is different. So that's why you will get a false here. So that's the equals method, very, very useful method in the object class. The same method is overridden in the string class. Equals method is override example you can give object class equals method in the string class. So there is a hash code method. For example, you want to get the memory address, heap address of this hash code sh1, you can get with a hash code method. Hash code method. So which returns
object address.
Hash object address. So number, basically number, okay, integer number. So return type is integer. Returns int type. So now see, I want to find out sh1 address. So I can find int sh1 memory address equal to sh1 dot hash code. See that? Hash code is returns int data type. Call that. See, that's the how hash code method. So same you can apply for this one. sh. So memory address. So you're going to print it. sh1. So like this, you can call hash code and equals are very, very important. Hash code and equals method, generally people will override them because every class you need to override them. So see that you will get a different addresses. See, this address is different and this address is different, right? That's why there you are getting a false. This number is different, this number, that is comparing with equals method. So then we have a clone method is there. So another methods, clone method. So you want to copy exact object, you will use clone method. Then we have a so toString method. toString method. So toString method, why you will use? You want to convert object into string format. So please make a note this one. Convert object into string. Then object reference dot. So object dot toString you can use. So this is the how you can use toString method. You want to convert the object into string, call toString method on the object. Okay. So then we have a notify method. So it is used mainly in the thread concept. Single thread will be invoked here. So there is a notify all. So this is another method which wakes up some multiple threads. In the threading concept, we will use this clone method, toString method, notify all method, and then we have seen equals method, and then we have hash code method. So then we have wait method. So these are the all object class methods, and finalize method we have seen, right? Finalize method. So these are all the object class methods. So this is also, they will ask what are all the different objects. So every class, these methods automatically you will get. You don't need to build them. Already they created, you can use in your class. That's the object class methods purpose. Okay. Any questions? Yeah. So that's all about exception handling we cover, wrapper classes we covered, and object class methods we covered, and 3 bodies over. And next class, I'll show you practicals on the exception handling. Okay. Yeah.